Hello students, I am your geography teacher Shushmita ma'am. Today I am going to discuss about your 7th chapter of geography, energy and power resources. In my first slide, I represent the content portion of my presentation. Here I am going to discuss about resource, types of resources, renewable resources and their examples, and non-renewable energy resources and their examples. So first one is the definition of resources. Resources are the features of environment which are needed and used by the people. অর্থাৎ রিসোর্স হলো আমাদের পরিবেশের এমন একটি ফিচার্স যেটি প্রয়োজনীয়তা এবং মানুষের কাছে সেটির ব্যবহার রয়েছে। অর্থাৎ রিসোর্সেস হ্যাভ ফাংশনাবিলিটি। নাও আই কাম টু দ্য পোর্শন অফ ন্যাচারাল রিসোর্স। Water, minerals, coal, oil, gas, forest, these all are examples of natural resource. Why? Because these resources are formed naturally. That's why these resources are called natural resource. Now, what is an energy resource? Natural resources such as oil, gas, coal, wood, wind, sunlight and waves can be used to produce energy. These are called energy resources. In my next slide, I represent the definition of non-renewable energy resource and the definition of renewable energy resource. Renewable resources are those which can be used over and over again. For example, solar, hydropower, wind power, geothermal. Next, non-renewable energy resource. Non-renewable resources are those which would exhaust with overuse, for example oil, coal, minerals, etc. অর্থাৎ নন রিনিউয়েবল এনার্জি রিসোর্স হলো এমন কিছু রিসোর্স যেগুলো এক্সেসিভ পরিমাণে ইউজ করলে সেগুলো একটা সময়ের পরে শেষ হয়ে যাবে, কিন্তু রিনিউয়েবল এনার্জি রিসোর্স যেটি আমরা যতই ব্যবহার করি না কেন সেটি কখনো শেষ হবে না। These all are the pictures of non-renewable energy. First one is natural gas, second one is oil, petroleum, third one is coal, next nuclear power. As we all know that from oil and gas electricity can be produced as well as coal. There is some negative impact of using oil and gas and also coal. When oil and gas are burned, they release carbon dioxide gas into the atmosphere, and we all know that CO2 is a greenhouse gas which contributes to global warming. And in case of coal, when it is burned, it releases carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide into the atmosphere, which contributes to global warming and acid rain. Next one is nuclear reactions. Electricity can be produced from nuclear reaction as well. Nuclear fuels do not produce harmful greenhouse gases. It is very efficient nuclear power. And nuclear power produces radioactive waste which is dangerous and has to be sealed in containers and buried for thousands of years. These all are the images of renewable energy resources. First one is geothermal, second biofuel, next solar panel by which solar power is generated, next wind turbine by which wind power is generated, next hydroelectricity. So first one is wind. From the wind turbine, wind power is generated. Okay, when the wind blows, the blades move and this spins a turbine which is connected to a generator which generates electricity. Next, solar power. Solar power generated from the solar panels. Okay, solar energy can be used to generate heat or electricity, and solar panels filled with water are used to produce heat. Geothermal, next one. Geothermal energy is heat energy from the earth. Water can be pumped down into hot rock where it is heated, and geothermal energy can be used to produce heat or electricity. Next one is hydroelectricity. Hydroelectric power ইজ আ ওয়ে অফ হার্নেসিং এনার্জি ফ্রম রানিং ওয়াটার, অর্থাৎ কিনা রানিং ওয়াটার থেকে হাইড্রো ইলেকট্রিসিটি প্রডিউস করা হয়ে থাকে। When electricity is needed, water is released and flows downwards with the gravity to spin a turbine, more reliable than solar and wind power. Next, hydroelectric dams are very expensive and can harm wildlife. Next, biofuels. Biofuels are made from crops. Ideally, biofuels should be carbon neutral, absorb carbon dioxide as they grow, and then give off carbon dioxide when they are burned. Next one is recycling and energy. We need recycling our energy resource for the conservation of resource, because we need our resource conserved because of our future generation. Okay, the amount of energy we save depends on the product, but it is always worth recycling. Thank you.